EVs aren't just about batteries. They're packed with cutting-edge tech. Huge touchscreens, slick interfaces, and over-the-air software updates make them feel like smartphones on wheels. Your car can get new features or better performance overnight, just like your phone. Preheat or cool your cabin from an app, check charging status, or find your car in a crowded lot. This level of connectivity is redefining what we expect from our vehicles. While gas cars are adding tech, EVs are leading the charge with smarter, more adaptable systems. For tech lovers, this is a major draw. The future of driving is digital, and it's already here. Of course, EVs have their challenges, mainly charging and range. Charging takes longer than filling up with gas, especially on road trips. Home charging is easy for daily driving, but long journeys require planning. Public fast charging networks are growing, but they're not as widespread as gas stations, yet. Range anxiety is real. Running low on battery far from a charger can be stressful. Not all chargers are equal, different speeds, plug types, and sometimes broken stations. But the good news? Battery tech and charging speeds are improving fast. New EVs offer longer ranges, and ultra-fast chargers are rolling out. Every year these hurdles get smaller. For most daily driving, range isn't an issue anymore. The infrastructure is catching up, and soon, charging will be almost as easy as filling up. The bumps in the road are real, but they're temporary. The future is charging ahead. So, which is right for you? Electric or gas? It depends on your lifestyle, driving habits, and what you value most. If you have a predictable commute and can charge at home, an EV could be perfect, quiet, quick, and cost-effective. If you need to drive long distances, lack home charging, or crave the sound of an engine, gas might still be best. There's no wrong answer, just the right fit for you. Test drive both, see what feels best, and choose what puts the biggest smile on your face. The best car is the one that matches your life. The choice is yours. Looking ahead, the future of cars is electric. Every major automaker is investing in EVs, and the technology is improving at lightning speed. Battery ranges are climbing, charging is getting faster, and the infrastructure is expanding. The challenges of today will soon be history. Gasoline cars won't vanish overnight. Classics and enthusiast vehicles will always have a place. But for daily driving, the tide is turning. Cleaner air, lower costs, and high-tech features are setting a new standard. We're witnessing the dawn of a new automotive era. The road ahead is quiet, clean, and electric. It's an exciting time to be a driver. The future is here. Let's enjoy the ride. The biggest difference between petrol and electric cars isn't just how they move, it's how smart they are. Modern EVs are more like smartphones on wheels, built as digital products from the ground up. Giant touchscreens control everything, from music to driving modes. Over-the-air software updates mean your car can get new features and improvements while you sleep. Unlike petrol cars, which only get older, EVs can actually get better with age. Updates can boost range, add features, or refine performance. You can preheat the cabin, check battery status, or even summon your car with an app. Some EVs sync with your calendar and plan your route automatically. This tech-first approach makes electric cars feel futuristic. They're not just cleaner, they're smarter. For many, that's a huge part of the appeal. Of course, electric cars aren't perfect. The biggest hurdle is price. They're still too expensive for many. Battery range is improving, but still less than a petrol tank, and cold weather can cut range further. Battery degradation is a concern, though warranties help ease worries. The prospect of a costly battery replacement down the line puts some people off. Model variety is still limited compared to petrol cars, especially for niche needs. If you want a rugged off-roader or a cheap city car, petrol still offers more choice. But new electric models are arriving fast. These challenges are real, but the industry is working hard to solve them. The landscape is changing quickly. The hurdles are shrinking every year. Charging is the biggest practical difference and the biggest worry for new EV owners. If you have a driveway, home charging is easy. Plug in overnight, wake up to a full battery. For those without off-street parking, charging is trickier. Public chargers can be hard to find, sometimes broken, and often more expensive than home charging. Long journeys require planning, and queues at busy chargers aren't uncommon. It's not as simple as a 5-minute petrol stop, but things are improving fast. Ultra-rapid chargers are popping up adding 100 miles in 10 minutes. Payment systems are getting easier, with contactless cards becoming standard. The charging network is expanding rapidly. Today's problems are being solved at record speed. The future of charging looks much brighter. So, where do we stand in this epic battle? Petrol cars are convenient, familiar, and still the practical choice for many. Their strengths are speed of refueling and a vast, reliable infrastructure. For those without home charging, or who travel long distances, petrol remains king, for now. Electric cars are the ambitious newcomer, pricier up front, but cheaper to run and maintain. Charging and range still require more planning, but these are temporary hurdles. The direction is clear. Electric cars are winning. Their advantages, lower running costs, smoother drive, smart features, and cleaner air, are fundamental. The problems, price, range, charging, are being solved. Batteries are improving, charging networks are growing, and more models are arriving. The petrol car has peaked, the electric car is just getting started. The future of the car is electric. The revolution is here, and it's gathering speed with every silent mile. EVs aren't just about how they move, they're packed with tech. Most have giant touchscreens controlling everything from music to climate. Over-the-air updates mean your car can get new features while parked. Driver assist systems like adaptive cruise and lane keeping are common. Cameras and sensors make driving safer and easier. Cars are becoming rolling computers and EVs lead the way. Not everyone loves all the screens. Some miss simple buttons. There's a learning curve, but this is where the industry is headed. The future is digital, and EVs are at the forefront. Get ready for a smarter drive. EVs are great, but there are real challenges. Range anxiety is real. Will you make it to the next charger? Most new EVs go 300+ miles, but long trips need planning. Charging isn't as fast or widespread as gas stations. Public chargers can be busy or slow. No home charger. It's trickier if you live in an apartment. Batteries are expensive to replace, though warranties are long and reliability is improving. Cold weather can cut your range by 20% or more. Automakers are working on solutions, but it's something to consider. EVs aren't perfect yet, especially for everyone, everywhere. Know the hurdles before you buy. Despite the hurdles, EV progress is rapid, battery tech is improving, ranges are up, costs are down, charging networks are expanding fast with more stations at stores and workplaces. The goal: make charging as easy as filling up with gas. EV variety is exploding. SUVs, trucks, family cars, all electric. Automakers are investing big, and choices are better than ever. The arguments against EVs are fading as tech advances. We're in a massive transition, like moving from horses to cars. The electric car isn't a fad, it's the future. Change is happening fast. Get ready.